Hi, welcome to Car Mechanical, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Audi light switch trim and switch. So the first thing you need to do is push the switch in, turn it halfway. This releases the housing, so you're going to pull the switch out. And then what I'm going to show you how to do first is how to remove the outer trim. So you're going to get a flat blade screwdriver and release the tabs. Now I've recorded this video in two parts because the replacement I ordered actually came damaged in the post, and initially I replaced the outside and I ended up fixing the switch element, so you're going to see what was damaged on that. All I did was sand it and gave it a quick paint. So once this outer trim comes off, you can replace it with the new trim. I'm going to give you a comparison between the two because I do see a lot of pictures online that these do get quite worn. This replacement is only a couple of pounds. It's really worthwhile in doing and refreshing something that's right in your line of sight. And here's the difference between the two switches and the bit that I said was damaged. So the new trim piece will go over the outside of the housing. Make sure you clip it on in the right orientation, so just note that before you put it on, or take the old one off, and that will clip into place. However, in a moment we're going to jump across and I'm going to show you how to replace the inside switch, because of putting the outside on is what you'll do later. Just because of the way that mine happened, I did the outside trim first. And this is just to show you the damaged switch and what I ended up sanding and painting. Okay, so in order to remove the switch, what we need to do is we need to cut the actual switch off. So you're going to do that with any kind of saw that you've got and something to grip hold the switch. So do that in a vise or something like that, like I'm doing here. And you're just going to cut all around the switch. So obviously at this point we've got the whole of the switch out of the car and unplugged, and we'll remove the trim piece that I initially showed you replacing, but that will go on easily at the end. So now we've freed up the switch itself to drop down the outside part of the switch to the inside of the casing. There's two little tabs that you need to release. So you can kind of see them here, and you'll definitely see them in person. So you're going to use a very small flat bladed screwdriver to go underneath these tabs, and that will just release the switch up. So now that's done, get rid of the little centerpiece as well. That's junk, we don't need it. I'm just using an air compressor to quickly blow away all of the dust from this so it's nice and clean. You're going to gunk up the new switch, and we're going to get our new switch and place it on. So again, pay attention to the orientation. This will just push on, and it may need pushing down a little bit, and just check that it turns into positions you want. And we're going to put the outer trim on. So this is like I did in the car earlier, just repeat it again. So line it up, push the tabs on, and after that we're ready to put it back into the car. So once it is on, just a good opportunity to check that the switch is in the position you want it to be. If not, we may have to put some special effort to undo everything you've done, so pay special attention to your orientation when you put it on. Okay, so flicking over to the car, put the switch in place, line the whole of the switch housing up and push that in. Now as I put this in, you'll notice that the switch is standing a bit too proud. So once it's in, it needs to be pushed down a little bit. It might need a little bit of a firm push. This is to do with it sort of sitting in the housing and the way it all clicks in. And that's it, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Please share this video with anyone that you think it would be useful to, and more than anything, thank you for watching.